Welcome to Nalini Education Channel. Now, in our education channel, expert will guide you on each subject. Also, they will give you important guidelines on how to write a paper, how to score good marks, and improve your time management skill on that subject. So, today we will be talking about mathematics.
Hello students, I am Mrs. Bharti Loke. Today I am going to speak about how to study maths. My tips will help you to score full marks in your exam. Now the first and the most important thing is you should always maintain a separate book for algebra and geometry. Algebra and geometry should be written and solve the sums in separate books. Make formula charts or books for yourself. You can make a chart and write the formulas on the chart and paste it on the drawer or your shelf so that you can go through your formulas every day. Next point is our activity sums. We should solve our activity sums thoroughly in the notebook. Do not write only the answers in the textbook and keep it as it is. Solve full activity sum in your notebook which you have maintained. Go through your solved sums, mark important points of the sum, and evaluate your sum time to time. Be smart, study smart. Follow the as you are following the same book throughout the year. All the sums go through your eyes throughout the year from the same book. Understand the concepts of each chapter properly. Every chapter has got some weightage. So, according to the weightage of the lessons, study the chapters thoroughly. Understand what all concepts and theorems are there in each chapter. Solve the sums based on the theorems, and then you can maintain that book and evaluate it time to time. Understand the weightage of the marks also. Every question has got different marks, so every marks should be written in the book or near the sum, so that you when you study you will understand the sum is of 2 mark, 3 mark, or 5 mark, or 4 mark, whatever it is. So marks also should be written near the book or near the sum. Before the day of the exam, you have already attempted your language papers, so do not panic. Always take a proper sleep of 6 to 8 hours daily. Do not stress yourself. Revise all your mistakes before the exam, or whatever mistakes you have done in your test papers or semester papers. Go through those mistakes and try to evaluate it, so that on the day of the exam, board exam, you will not do any mistake. Practice the formula based sums first when you practice before the day of the exam. So always go from complex to simple. Okay, always follow the complex sums first, the big sums first, and then automatically you will start recollecting 1 mark question sums and 2 mark question sums. Always have the formula charts in front of you when you solve your algebra and geometry sums. Finally, points to remember. All small points which you must always keep in mind throughout the year are: always mark important points in your notebook, whether it is algebra or geometry. As you are maintaining separate book, points should be marked in the sum. Then concentrate on the sums of similar types. Whatever similar type sums are there, that you will concentrate and evaluate on the mistakes. Keep the habit of writing important points in a separate book if you want, or near the sum. Always leave 2 to 3 pages after each sum, so that whenever you wish to solve those sums, you can solve those sums there itself. Always hard work leads to success.
Thank you.